think there's a lot of alpha right now in Reddit, believe it or not, for two
Mhm.
reasons. One that if you've noticed, Reddit really eats up a lot of the front page of Google.
Yeah.
And I think it's for good reason. Like it is typically user generated content. If you're like, oh, my Samsung Frame TV remote broke, a lot of times you're going to find someone who posted on Reddit who had the same problem and maybe found a solution. So Reddit, I think, is actually like a pretty good source of information. And from a business perspective, you have a lot of local queries happening on Reddit. Hey guys, I just moved to Austin. I'm looking for a new barber who's great in r slash Reddit, Reddit slash Austin or Reddit slash, barbers or whatever. So I think Reddit is kind of slept on. And then Reddit also does feed into the LLMs. So ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, a lot of the training data for these AI tools come from Reddit. So I think for local businesses, if you can get on Reddit, you can get in those local queries and get into those threads. That's really helpful in and of itself. But then that is a lot of the data that feeds to ChatGPT. And more, I think we're just in super early days of this, but more and more people are going to be like talking to Chat, oh, my sink broke. It's not working out. I'm so frustrated. Is there a good plumber near me that can help me? And ChatGPT will be providing that result to consumers, and for a business to be the one that's recommended would be pretty powerful.